Start with the name of Allah, the Almighty and the Most Merciful. The less you respond to negative people, the more peaceful your life will become. Pain makes you stronger, tear makes you braver, heartbreak makes you wiser. So thank the past for a better future. Every teacher was once a student. Every winner was once a loser. Every expert was once a beginner. But all of them have crossed a bridge which is called learning. When life gives you 100 reasons to cry, show life that you have 1,000 reasons to smile. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill a disease called failure. It will make you successful person. Umbrella can't stop the rain, but can make us stand in rain. Similarly, confidence may not bring success, but give us power to face any challenge in life. Forget what hurt you, but never forget what it taught you. When I is replaced by we, even illness become wellness. Patience is not the ability to wait, but the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting. Prayer is more powerful than struggles. Character is how you treat someone who can do nothing for you. Luck is just a preparation to realize where is the opportunity.